prior to working with DC Home Remodeling, our kitchen was pretty outdated. This house was built in the 1950s. Really all the aesthetics were very old, and so what we wanted to do was we wanted to really just modernize our kitchen, but we also had walls that were closing off our kitchen from the rest of our house. So we also wanted to create more of an open concept with our kitchen and our house. And so when Mustafa and team came with our initial consultation, they said that they could do that, but then they also recommended some additional designs. One of them being to move a utility door to the other side of the hallway, which we hadn't ever considered, and doing so allowed us to add a lot more countertop space and a lot more cabinets to really be able to maximize the use of our kitchen. And so everything that came out, the kitchen ended up turning out really well. All the countertops, cabinets are really top of the line. It looks really modern. All the color tones really match exactly what we wanted. We wanted a two-tone kitchen with a nice navy blue, and then also some white cabinetry as well. All of the electrical was done by the team. All of the utility work was done very well. Craftsmanship was good as well. So yeah, we're very happy with how it turned out. It turned out exactly how we wanted it to, and we're excited to live in our kitchen and be able to use it.